Hey guys, welcome to Nick's channel. As we have seen many videos of dishwash liquid, detergent liquid, toilet cleaner. So there are some requirements of English language. So today we are going to show how to make detergent liquid in rupees 19 per liter. Be with us. I'll show you the whole process. How to make detergent liquid 250 kilos batch for industrial purpose, for business purpose, to start a new business. Anything you can do with the 250 kilos detergent liquid. Today we are going to start this one, how to make the detergent liquid in rupees 19. You can see you will get this 250 kg detergent liquid, the transparent, the thick and the great quality you can provide to the customers. Here you can see the formulation of 250 kilos batch. Also you can refer to the description. We have attached the Excel sheet. Let's begin with the process. In empty drum, take 100 liters of water. You can take RO water or DM water. You can use any water, but DM or RO water improves our quality. After taking water, we will add the preservatives 200 ml, phenoxyethanol, DMDM or sodium benzoate. There are three options of preservative. We have taken phenoxyethanol. It stops the bacterial growth and keeps our liquid safe for 3 years. See, this is phenoxyethanol. We are adding slowly in our batch this 200 ml phenoxyethanol. This is very important part of our batch. Take 4.1 kg caustic flakes in any empty bucket. Weight accuracy is very important, guys. Do not take more or do not take less caustic. It affects to our batch. We have taken 4.1 kg caustic flakes. Now we will add 10 liters of water to caustic flakes so that we can dilute it very easily. Caustic flakes has been diluted properly. You can see this. After dilution of caustic, we will take NYX thickener 400 grams. Our thickener is cosmetic grade and it is pH neutral. The standard dosage we have made 160 grams per 100 kilos. So we are adding 400 grams to the 250 kilos batch. Now the 400 grams NYX thickener we are adding into a caustic diluted water. You can see it comes in a powder form. You can use in any detergent liquid, dishwash liquid or hand wash liquid. We cannot use it in a phenyl or a toilet cleaner. See, it is getting diluted very easily. Wait until it gets diluted 100%. Thickener is getting diluted, you can see. Now add this solution to the batch. In a water, we have added preservatives. The second part, we are adding caustic flakes with thickener. See, it is getting mixed very easily. We will wait for 2 minutes, then we will add 2 kg edible salt. See, we have taken 2 kilos edible salt. It has to be free flow. No need to dilute. We will add directly. You can skip the salt if you want a good quality detergent liquid. You have to wait for a few minutes to get the salt diluted. After salt, we will add 25 kg slurry. We can call it a lapsa 2. The liquid grade lapsa, which is 92%, it's good for the liquid detergent. Now we will add lapsa to our batch. We have added 25 kg lapsa to the batch. After adding a lapsa and wait for a few minutes, then we will add citric acid mono. 250 grams citric acid we have taken. Citric acid works as a stain remover. It improves the transparency and it works as a preservative too. Now time to add some water. Keep space of 25 liters of chemicals. Now we will add the optical brightener CBX. We will not take it directly, we will dilute in a water. After taking water, we will dilute the CBX optical brightener in a water and we will add in our batch. Now time to neutralize the batch. It is very important part. We will keep 8 or above pH for the best detergent liquid. Now we will check the pH. pH is very important part for the liquid detergent. It is very alkaline. It is about 11 pH. We will add some citric acid. You can add some Lapsa too. You can add anything to reduce the pH. See, we are adding Lapsa too. Now we will check again. See, it is green. Green means 7.5 to 8 range pH. It is best for detergent liquid. After neutralize, we will add SLAS paste 2 kilograms and we will dilute it in a 15 liters of water. First we are taking 2 kilo SLAS paste in an empty bucket. Then we are adding 15 liters of water. You have to wait for 5 to 7 minutes to get it diluted properly. After it gets diluted, you have to add this water to the batch. You can use SLAS liquid too. We are adding SLAS paste because to reduce the cost. Now we have added the SLAS. Now it's time to add CAPB. CAPB calls cocamidopropyl betaine. It is a cosmetic product. You can use it in any cosmetic product or a detergent product. It is a basically foam booster. It also helps to thickening our liquid. We have taken 1.5 kilograms CAPB. After CAPB, we will add CDEA. CDEA helps to remove the oil stains. It is coconut diethanolamide. See, this is CDEA we have added to our batch. After adding CDEA, we will add the color. We can take it any color, but generally liquid detergent looks like a blue, so we will add a blue color. See, we have added the blue color. We will wait till it get mixed. Now we will add the perfume as required. We have taken 250 ml of perfume. Perfume quantity can be changed as per your requirement. Our batch is finished and we will add some water, the remaining water, and we will wait for 3 to 4 hours to get it stable. Our batch is finished and we have wait for 4 hours. After 4 hours, our liquid becomes stable. And now we will add the remaining water so that we can get 250 kilos remaining yield. We will not add the water fast. We will add the water slowly so bubbles won't come out. See this liquid? The water has mixed properly and our liquid is ready. Our batch is finished. To see the clarity, we will add this liquid to our glass jar. See, it is very transparent, thick and powerful. This liquid can be used for a top load, front load, washing machine or a manual cleaning. This is our final product. You can fill it in a 1 liter jar, 1 liter bottle, 5 liters bottle and sell it anywhere. As you have seen how we showed you the process of making detergent liquid 250 kilos. You can contact us for our thickener, or if you want any query regarding formulations, you can contact us. If you like our video, keep watching it and subscribe our channel, like it, share it.